Okay, so my car is pretty high. You know, my friend recently told me that my fender gap is bigger than his apartment. And I'm quite sure that my ride height is costing me lap time, and that is a problem. So let's do something about it.
Yo, let's go! But right now, I really wonder, how many percent of these were made in Germany? How many percent? Oh, okay, 100% made in Germany. Good to know, good to know.
Okay, so this one is for the rear of the car, and this one is for the front of the car. As you can see, the pattern on this spring gets progressively tighter. Now this will make the springs progressively harder and stiffer under pressure. Now in theory, they should be quite soft when I drive normally. And when I drive hard on the track, they should get a lot stiffer, which is exactly what I want. Now let's go to the shop and put them on the car.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
I'm not a very good mechanic myself, but luckily I don't need to be, because I have a Marcus in my life. He's a real mechanic and he will install these lowering springs for free, because you are friends and because he doesn't have anything better to do.
Men de har väl rostat fast också. Nej, kolla, jävlar Marcus! Så, kolla.
Vi kommer bara att lossa där, där och där för att få till det här i alla fall.
Oj! Jävlar! Fan, det där skulle man kunna döda någon med ju.
Ja,
vilken jävla grej.
Okej, samma grej. Ja.
Den är ju lägre.
Sakta men säkert.
Oj!
Sådär då.
Kolla! Ska vi jämföra och se hur lika det är?
Den är ungefär en spiral där.
Just det, det är ganska mycket skillnad jämfört med den andra i alla fall.
Men då kör vi samma igen, att texten ska vara läsbar.
Ja, texten uppåt. Jo, men det måste ju vara.
är han i alla fall påhängande. Det här tror jag ska.
Jävel.
And there we go, the springs are installed and I'm super happy with how low the car is now. It still looks clean and not overdone, and I think it would look weird if I went even lower than this. In the next video I will be testing these springs on a racetrack, and if you want to see how they perform, then don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.